I'm Kisha Melesondra.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old. I'm Kisha Melesondra.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Do you use? So let's proceed to question number one. What website do you use the most when looking for information?
I use Wikipedia.
How many times do you use it in one day or in a week?
I use it like depends when school is given.
What makes you like using that website?
It gives the proper information. It's a diverse website.
Do you think the information from it is true and helpful? Why?
I do think it's true and helpful. Source. It gives out the source.
What other ways do you use to learn? Last question. What other ways do you use to learn new things?
I learn new things I learn new things by watching other
With
Russell James Stardo,
how old are you?
19 years old.
So let's proceed to question number one. What website do you use the most when looking for information?
I use Google and also Google Scholar to gather information and fun to mo basta gather.
How many times do you use it in one day or in a week?
So it depends kung example na may mga project or mga assessment nga need research.
What makes you like using that website?
It's so easy to access and free ra pud siya sa tanang tao.
Do you think that the information from it is true and helpful? Why?
Yes, and some information are true but there are some information that are not true kanang dili siya accurate kaya ang uban na is panra kanang mga fake information din napay uban nga kanang supporting evidence para ma-prove nga true ginang information.
Last question. So, what other ways do you use to learn new things?
Kanang what other ways? So the other ways is kanang I observe first, then kung unsay na-observe na ko is mo to akong i-apply sa katungapan.
Thank you, sir.
I'm SG Adolfo.
How old are you?
English lagi din hagoy din eh. I'm 49 years old.
Okay. So, let's proceed to question number one. What website do you use the most when looking for information?
Usap na English gini tanan?
Pwede na Bisaya, Chik. Pwede na Bisaya.
Mga lagi kami sa English na mong so good. Di nga ta ka nga English tanan.
Sorry.
Wa nung ta ka prepare yate na.
Ay, good ka.
Esa. What information? What kind of information? What kind of asking?
Social media, Chik.
Social media.
Oh.
Otan na ako kung sa nga information para umag na to. Lagyo kita klaba ito baga.
Unsa nga website imong gamiton permi kung mangita kag information?
Aba simpre kung dili ta sa kuan global kita sa YouTube.
Kana. Ikapila sa nimo siya gamiton sa usa ka adlaw or sa isa ka week?
Actually, kanang cellphone basta mag-duty may bawal gina. Pero after sa duty, almost kada adlaw ginagamiton kay di naman ta mabuhi ron og wala ang cellphone through media. Like pamilya na to gamiton or ari sa para malingaw ka. Murag nakalatid na to ang kinabuhi rong panahon na sa cellphone do.
What makes you like using that website?
Again.
What makes you like using that website?
Movies and most particular sa mga ikumpara to ng laing nasod sama ng mga lalaing classes, mga trahedya, issues, politics, mga na.
So, do you think the information from it is true and helpful? Why?
Dili sa ta sure nga makaingon nga tinuod na kay sa media dili tanan tinuod na sa mga fake news. So depende kung sa lokal nga mga makita nimo, usa makaingon tag tinuod based sa sama na sa weather, mga panghitabo sa ato ang lugar, so bang silingan sa sikbit sa ato ang country, makaingon ta nga tinuod.
So, last question. What other ways do you use to learn new things?
Daghan siya makuha nga learn kay ano, kung wala ang true media, magmukmo ka sa lugar nga wa kay cellphone, blanko gi ka ng lawa, murag dili jud ka wa kay knowledge karong adlaw sa panghitabo or sa nasundan nga adlaw nga panghitabo, kay tungod wa man kay kanang inon tumpong nga dili update kung wala ng cellphone through media communication.
Thank you, Chip.
Okay.
Salamat. So I'm here with,
I am Ayan from A9.
how old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Okay, let's proceed to question number 1. What website do you use the most when looking for information?
The website I use the most is Google, as it is the most accessible and most versatile one.
How many times do you use in one day or a week?
How many times I use in a day? How many times I use Google in a day is through, really depends on how much I'm on my phone, which is most likely the entire day.
What makes you like using that website?
Because it's what I've been using since I was younger, and it's also the easiest to learn, as it's just typing in things in the search engine, and then you get what you're looking for.
Okay. Do you think the information from it is true and helpful? Why?
That depends, as there are verified sources and there are non-verified sources. However, it's only up to you whether you believe the information you are reading and whether it's from a credible source or not.
What other ways do you use to learn new things?
The other ways I learn through experiences and actual libraries and books, as they are more often not accurate, though they are outdated.
Okay, thank you. So I'm here with,
I am Lorraine Maderbine from ST11A3.
how old are you?
I am 16 years old.
Okay, let's proceed to question number 1. What website do you use most when looking for information?
I preferably go to Google, or sometimes I ask Copilot, since it's more efficient and gamay na ang makuha nga time since magkita rin tayo.
How many times do you use in one day or a week?
It depends if when na ako buhaton nun. Sometimes a day I will use it like once or twice.
What makes you like using that website?
It makes my work more efficient and dali ra mahuman akong buhaton.
Do you think the information from that is true is true and helpful? Why?
Sometimes na ikaw nga dili siya helpful since dili tanan website nga imong dolan is kanang sakto, sometimes kanang iyang mga URLs na kanang applicable to open, so it's better nga mag-double check it more sa kanang trusted, which is ang Google.
What other ways do you use to learn new things?
Sometimes I watch YouTube to kanang refresh my knowledge or kanang mag-learn something sa mga new lessons.
That's it. Thank